Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for disability benefits in SSS. First, let's discuss eligibility. To qualify, you must have paid at least 36 monthly contributions to the SSS. Your disability must be permanent and total, meaning it prevents you from engaging in any gainful occupation. It's crucial to gather all your medical records and supporting documents early to streamline the application process. Next, let's talk about the essential documents you'll need. You must complete the SSS Disability Claim Application Form. Your attending physician needs to provide a comprehensive medical certificate detailing your condition. Also, prepare your SSS ID or 2 other valid government-issued identification cards. Don't forget to include any supporting medical records, such as X-rays, MRI results, or laboratory findings, to strengthen your claim. Now, let's go through the application process. Once all your documents are ready, submit your complete application to the nearest SSS branch office. You will then undergo a medical evaluation by an SSS physician, which is a mandatory step. After this, you'll need to patiently await the SSS's decision regarding your disability claim. Remember to follow up on your application status if you haven't heard back within a reasonable timeframe. Finally, let's discuss receiving benefits and the appeals process. If your claim is approved, you will begin receiving your disability benefits, which can be either a monthly pension or a lump sum. Should your claim be denied, you have the right to file an appeal within 60 days from the date of denial. It's always wise to seek assistance from SSS representatives for any clarifications or guidance throughout this process.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.